Hey guys, what's going on? Pupunta tayo ngayon sa kay Ahmed, isa sa mga personal training ko na clients. Tuturuan natin siya ng MMA. He's been training with me in the last I think natagal na rin mga 6 years na, Bok. 6 years na client ko siya. Tuturuan ko siya ng boxing, Muay Thai, wrestling at saka jiu-jitsu. So today it's Tuesday, so we're on for striking.
Karate.
So we're going to his house. The drive is around 30 minutes, and I'll see you guys there. Okay? Guys, if you can see on my left, ano yan? Yan ang tinatawag na Dubai calendar. Dubai frame. Parang viewing deck yan. You go up 60-story high, and then makikita mo yung both sides ng Dubai. It is strategically placed na kung doon ka nakatingin sa kabila, you will see the new Dubai, yung mga skyscrapers and all. And dito naman sa kabila, you will see the old buildings. So it's kind of merging the both worlds. So you should, if you visit Dubai, you should visit this place. Tapos ito pa yung yung ganyan, lipat ko yung floor, sa loob niyan, yung floor yung floor niyan, transparent, parang crystal siya. If you look down, you'll see yung bottom ng building. So nakakalula, pero it's perfectly safe. Alright, malapit na tayo mga tropa. Malapit na tayo mga tropa. Siguro mga 3 minutes from now, doon na tayo kay Ahmed. Ahmed, pare, grabe. So dito, roundabout to, hindi common to sa Pilipinas. Siguro there are certain places na may roundabout, pero dito talaga halos lahat ng mga intersection meron talagang roundabout. It causes less traffic, at saka wala lang, parang social, European style. So guys, nakaganyan talaga ako kasi parang social. Guys, nandito tayo ngayon sa lugar ng mga mayayaman.
Wow!
So, iba na ngayon yung pagsasalita natin. Pero, dude, pare, parang ganun na tayo. So, if you can see to your left, yan, yung mga bahay ng mga mayayaman dito sa right din. Maraming mayayaman dyan. Kitang-kita nyo naman yung lalaki ng bahay nila. And yun yung mga natin, yung mga clients natin. So dito na yung bahay niya. But tingnan nyo naman kung ano kalaki, mga tropa.
Sana all.
Super laki, diba? Dito tayo magpa-park sa labas.
May ginta na sila doon.
May parking space talaga sila for their guests. And of course, dito tayo magpa-park. Makikita nyo mamaya yung pag-open ng kanilang tawag dito, yung gate. Automatic lang. So, I'll see you guys inside. Alright? Tawagan natin si Ahmed ngayon, araw na to. Hindi, tawagan natin yan si Ahmed. Dito tayo sa labas. Init. Sandalin mo. Ay, hindi sumasagot
Tawagan mo si ate.
Pag ganito, tina-charge ko na lang. Uwi ako, tapos so, since hindi sumasagot si Ahmed, siguro sa banyo pa, tawagan natin si ate. Yung nila, yung nag-help sa kanila sa loob ng bahay.
Tutulogin si ate.
Hindi sila sumasagot. Gusto na Hello, ate! Andito sa labas ng gate.
Okay.
Alright, salamat. Si-charge ko na sila sana. Kaso lang, good, sumagot sila. So, let's go inside, guys. Tingnan natin yung lugar dito ng mga bahay dito. Alright. So, if you can see, yan, automatic na open yan. And papasok na tayo. So, outfit check muna tayo mga par. Siyempre, white tie shorts. Tapos, Venom tayo na pang training. Tapos, dito yung mga gloves natin. Tapos, tsinelas, tamang tsinelas lang kasi para presko. Tamang tamang forma lang. So, if you can see sa bahay nila, from there, pumasok tayo hanggang doon. Tingnan mo man, building yan. Tapos, yan. Kapit ko na yung pinapagawa. Tapos yung father kasi niya, mahilig sa mga halaman. So, mga papaya. Basta, dami. Sobra. Pare, grabe. Ate, good afternoon.
Ate! Hi ka muna, ate!
So, ate, magkaka-juice. Dito siya. Kasi nung last, wala akong juice. Kasi wala si Buki. Dito na siya ngayon, magkaka-juice na ako. Salamat naman.
Yay!
Ay, tayo nagbintong last.
May favoritism kasi ito si ate. May favoritism. May favoritism yan.
Busy daw si ate. Busy. Nice to see you, ate. Okay. Langgang cut, oh. Hi. Hello.
So guys, as you can see, this is the gym. Sarap mag-training dito kasi private lang talaga na gym. Kasya yung at least 3 tao dito pag nag-spar. Depende sa spar. Yung jiu-jitsu pwedeng 3. Pag striking naman, maybe 2, 3 pwede. MMA, probably isang pair lang. Pero this is just enough for for private sessions. Kompleto, may gym, may squat rack, bench, mga dumbbells, bike. Kasi yung laki ng bahay, so it's the place. So maganda talaga mag-training dito and yun, makakasosyal. MLM. So tamang shadow box lang muna tayo mga par. Tamang shadow box lang. Ganyan lang tayo. Papogi ba? Pogi ba? Kasi wala pa naman si Amel. So tamang lang. Shadow box lang. Just to warm up. Para iwas na tayo sa injury kasi medyo may katandaan na tayo. Ibabok. Dapat warm up importante yan. Medyo mabigat yung katawan natin. Among the weight training that we did yesterday, medyo mabigat yung katawan, medyo stiff. So kailangan mag-warm up talaga. Oy, man.
Hey. How are you?
Good.
Is this your sister's?
No, it's
Yours?
No, I'm Kim.
I thought you're filming already.
No. Some position for Filipino bodybuilder.
For what?
For a Filipino bodybuilder.
Ryan. So sabi niya may photoshoot na dito. Did it here?
Yeah.
Awesome. That's pretty cool, man.
I thought Ahmed transformed to his like celebrity status already.
No, I'm the celebrity.
Oh, alright.
Amit. But I think Amit, if he goes to the Philippines, he'll be
Instant celebrity.
with his good looks and
With his what?
sex appeal.
You think you're the only Filipino celebrity?
Who else, man?
All right. So, ang gagawin namin today will be drills for striking, and then kasi striking days ngayon. Thursday are grappling, wrestling. Today is just striking. So, but the sparring will be MMA today, okay? But we'll do striking for the lessons. All right. It has a.
That takes it too far. It's supposed to be a garden.
There is a garden.
More fruit. More fruit.
That is good. All right, so we're done with our warm-up. If you can see, my legs are already red. Amit's too, but he's pale here, red here, and then pale here. So we're taking a break, and then later on we'll still continue the battle. It's just push kicks.
What?
Just like this. So, tapos na kami mag-warm up. Next will be drills. Ulit-ulit lang. Yan kasi natututo sa drills. Drillings lang, drillings. Kasi if hindi mo kaya gawin sa drills, meaning hindi mo kaya gawin sa actual na sparring or fight. So kailangan pa ulit-ulit para may muscle memory. So today, it's gonna be striking kung paano pumasok sa southpaw or vice versa. We have three drills. Okay. This is an entry for you. So I'm gonna do a T. Okay. And then the next one I'm gonna fake. All right. T. Next jab. All right. That's our drill. So first I'm gonna go boom. As I fake, I'm gonna slide outside. Okay? Because you're a southpaw, it's hard for me. And for you, you're gonna do that. You're gonna Alright, round one.
$30 seconds. Last 10. 30 seconds.
So guys, we're done. 2 rounds only for very, very light sparring, and we're dead. We're so winded, we're so tired right away. It just shows that we haven't been training for quite a while.
2 months.
2 months, more than 2 months. And plus it was on and off. But I think it's gonna be much more regular now, yeah? So that shows. Thank you, Ahmed, for a great sparring.
Thank you, coach.
Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you. Alright guys, we're done. Naka-shower na ako. I'm fresh. Dahil dito sa banyo nila ni Ahmed kompleto. May shampoo, deodorant, everything, lotion, all the good stuff. And of course, hindi pwedeng walang post-workout meal. Kasi nandito si Buki. Kasi kung wala si Buki, wala. Kahit tubig, wala. Joke lang. May tubig naman. May tubig. Pero ito, pag nandito si Buki, syempre may special ano yan. May mga juice, may mga prutas.
So talagang alam ni ate na palakain ako.
Oo. Palakaon. So guys, maraming salamat sa pagsama sa sa afternoon, my usual afternoon dito sa Dubai. Hopefully gawa tayo ng marami pang videos na ganito na parang vlog type, yung raw vlog. And please like, yung sinasabi pag nasa YouTube, like, share, subscribe.
Follow.
Like, follow, share, subscribe.
And hit the notification.
And hit the notification button. So, bell. Okay, maraming salamat sa inyo mga kalinte. This has been Coach Adam. I'll see you guys soon. Peace. Amen.